Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can select any chart or chart element and then apply shape style formatting to it by using the preset shape styles that appear in the Shape Styles button group on the Format tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. Simply click a preset style in the list to apply it to your selection. To apply your own custom shape formatting to a selected chart or chart element, use the Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Shape Effects drop-down buttons. To customize the inner fill effect applied to your currently selected chart or chart element, click the Shape Fill button. In the drop-down menu that appears, you can select a fill color, picture, gradient, or texture to apply. To customize the appearance of the border of the currently selected chart object, click the Shape Outline drop-down. In the drop-down menu that appears, then select a border color or line color. You can also roll your mouse pointer over the Weight, Dashes, or Arrows command and then select a desired choice from the side menu that appears. Also note that many of the side menus have a More command at the bottom of the drop-down menu. You can always select this command to open the formatting task pane for the selected object. You can also apply a custom shape effect to a selected chart or chart element by clicking the Shape Effects drop-down and then rolling down to the General Effect category to apply in the drop-down menu that appears. Then select the desired variant to apply from the side menu of choices that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.